26 Jaw-dropping images of our planet by NASA.
Number 1.
Blue Marble, 2012. A blue marble image of the Earth taken from the VERS instrument aboard NASA's most recently launched Earth-observing satellite, Suomi NPP. This composite image uses a number of swaths of the Earth's surface taken on January 4, 2012. The NPP satellite was renamed Suomi NPP on January 24, 2012 to honor the late Werner E. Suomi.
Number 2.
Aurora Australis. The Expedition 32 crew on board the International Space Station, flying an altitude of approximately 240 miles, recorded a series of images of Aurora Australis, also known as the Southern Lights, on July 15, 2012. NASA astronaut Joe Acaba, flight engineer, recorded the series of images from the Tranquility node. The Canadarm2 robot arm is in the foreground.
Number 3.
Eastern Seaboard at night. An Expedition 30 crew member aboard the International Space Station took this nighttime photograph of much of the Atlantic coast of the United States. Large metropolitan areas and other easily recognizable sites from the Virginia, Maryland, Washington, D.C. area are visible in the image that spans almost to Rhode Island. Boston is just out of frame at right. Long Island and the New York City area are visible in the lower right quadrant. Philadelphia and Pittsburgh are near the center. Parts of 2 Russian vehicles parked at the orbital outpost are seen in left foreground.
Number 4.
Alaska's Brooks Range. Mountains in Alaska's Brooks Range seen during the Ice Bridge survey flight from Thule, Greenland to Fairbanks, Alaska.
Number 5.
Rub al Khali, Arabia. The Rub al Khali is one of the largest sand deserts in the world, encompassing most of the southern third of the Arabian Peninsula. It includes parts of Oman, the United Arab Emirates and Yemen. The desert covers an area larger than France. Largely unexplored until recently, the first documented journeys made by Westerners were those of Bertram Thomas in 1931 and St. John Philby in 1932. This image was acquired on December 2, 2005 by the Advanced Spaceborne Thermal Emission and Reflection Radiometer, or ASTER, aboard NASA's Terra Earth orbiting satellite.
Number 6.
The Water Planet. Viewed from space, the most striking feature of our planet is the water. In both liquid and frozen form, it covers 75% of the Earth's surface. It fills the sky with clouds. Water is practically everywhere on Earth, from inside the planet's rocky crust to inside the cells of the human body.
Number 7.
Storm cell over the southern Appalachian Mountains. This storm cell photo was taken from NASA's high-altitude ER-2 aircraft on May 23, 2014, during a study aimed at gaining a better understanding of precipitation over mountainous terrain.
Number 8.
An astronaut's view from space. NASA astronaut Reid Wiseman tweeted this photo from the International Space Station on Tuesday morning, September 2, 2014. My favorite views from space, just past sunrise over the ocean, the Expedition 40 astronaut tweeted.
Number 9.
Venice Lagoon. An aero barrier island protects the lagoon of Venice from storm waves in the northern